have a surprise for you.
Alright. If you ever put no insect on me.
What the? It's a snail. Good morning.
Good morning, how you do?
I'm fine.
I think I the me have to carry the hand food no cook pan you know man. Me have to call him, I know tell him to come.
Why? The dog is so friendly. Hello. How'd you get out of Oh, him.
Me know that for
Oh.
How you going with man?
Damn.
All life. Good?
Yeah, man, that's if you just go and give God thanks.
We have to do that, brother.
How'd you now come out of the vehicle?
Ah.
Strong.
So, mommy good.
Taja?
What? I'm trying to clear out.
Oh, it's foggy. It's morning.
Fine.
With him shoes, Ati. Okay. You look where you are. Okay. Make sure you have your mask. Yeah, you're not a mask? One step.
You're about to witness is the festiness that my cousin tried to pull.
No, that's not the
earlier.
one I said your mother. Yeah. Oh.
Look at that. I'm gonna
No,
zoom
it
in.
was a white one, a white pretty one.
Let's look at country, our beautiful.
That one the big
That's
man.
a cow.
A cow?
Yeah, cow. I
See a
said.
cow. People.
You can cook some pork now.
You can cook some pork now.
You don't eat pork.
This dude
He
right
must
here.
not eat pork.
No, nobody always
What is pork?
That guy. What is pork?
We need to find out the animal pork
Yes,
really comes
we
from.
don't know. I guess our definition of pork is different.
Professional betrayal, the meetings with consultations, they operated under the guise of consultation. They went
I guess
on
they might bring
operations,
ice.
and those meetings were
There's a snail. Should I take him home with me? Uh-oh. Kaja, come make oyster. I have a surprise for you.
Alright. If you ever put no insect on me.
What the? It's a snail.
Come here.
Come on. It's cute. Guys, look at this. Stop now. He's cute.
Stop coming close to me.
You
with
can't
it.
eat him.
Is he alive?
Yes, him hide in my eye, but him nice. Him a look for me.
Put him down.
No, I
Let
want
the
him.
snail go about his merry
I feel like
way.
I'm in love. You know, like when you have a pet? Yes, this is my new pet. Where I can put him?
Back where you found him.
No.
6 months after your second shot, you can get a Pfizer booster or an Astra booster. And for Astra people who receive their second dose 6 months.
Watch otters. Daddy.
So, Auntie Polly, them need your assistance. Them brought the.
Okay, guys. Alright, so
Yeah?
the apple
What he
tree.
eating?
Alright, the tree that you tell me, guys. Then you have the banana. Then you have that
What is this tree, Mrs. Know It All?
apple.
This is not no apple tree. This look like noni.
Oh please. Do you ever see none here?
No.
Then you have the what is on the tree there?
What is it?
The breadfruit. Not the breadfruit. The what's
We need
something
to
name?
find out what the tree means.
Where's something name? What the jelly tree there? Let's see the pig. See if
The
I
one that
come.
you point out?
Yes. Ah.
So,
Hello. Look at me, look.
she was waiting all her time.
I
to
hope
see
you have
this
your running boots on, you know, cause this ever run.
Then when me done screaming, I scream. such a nice view. I love the country now. Nature. I just love everything there. Country.
Hello.
There used to be a little pond nearby the fish. Where is it?
What? There's another one.
You
You see
remember
them?
the little pond where used to be nearby there?
Yeah.
Or the other way there? They're on the other side.
Come go touch them.
Oh, probably over that side there now. I'll go look.
Pan. Oh, the wall. I over there, Sataja. What happened to you? You hungry? They're hungry. Suppose it,
Are
hey.
you sad?
God,
I'm sad.
me gone. God, me see him just gone. Suppose he just fly over.
Oh, but son, one of them nature people that were out there in a while I run to them like.
Oh God.
Guys,
Oh, bye bye, piggy.
she's sorry. What's over that side?
Okay, these are more trees.
Oh God.
Lord God, the song.
The songs
Don't
are
cry,
gonna make me
Taja.
sad, you know? Why are they playing music?
What? Oh Lord. No, me not like them so you know.
What that? Ants?
No. Oh, guys.
Ants nest?
Yeah. You see?
What
Come.
is this? I say, oh, I wonder.
Who supposed to see one cow?
Just like I'm supposed to say a skunk, but I forget to when I'm
Skunk. You think of foreign?
there. Yeah.
Jesus.
Where you go? You sure with the from our property still?
Something's moving in the bushes. So I'm moving that bush, that's up for real.
Alright, now.
Yes, I am. Okay,
Right,
guys.
this is all for our adventure.
Yes.
There's a next lane, but
Yes, we'll
we
just.
wouldn't go there
Yes,
by ourselves.
we're black.
No, we would prefer
Yeah.
to walk with someone.
And there's
who
no
actually knows
chicken
where
in
they're
the chicken. Well, go and look if there's no chicken.
out of the bushes.
Out of the bushes.
Mom knows so if the pot them the reach, nothing can. Then it won't be real.
That's my uncle, guys.
That's it.
All it does. I don't want none.
You don't
No.
want any?
You know, like
I'll
two kids are too beautiful to hurt. You know? We're just walking, guys. Walking. We don't have nothing to do because the pot them not come. I want to assist. Well, I want to assist. I don't know about this girl. I'm here with food. Yeah, food. We have to make sure so we secure the food. Let me taste again, even though I don't want.
No, guys. Yeah, let me video.
The music in my background. But guys, right now I'm in a business. So
Guys,
if they want infringe, they infringe. Right now.
didn't you
Just-
hear when my uncle asked her if she wanted cane? And she said, all of a sudden, no, she want cane. Go ahead.
Give me a piece of cake, my nigga.
We don't like to eat that.
I each up on each other, though. Our
Super sure.
for phone, no? We're gonna go for a swim in the
You
river.
alone.
Yes.
Hi everyone, welcome back. We're going to the pond and I'm super excited.
Why do I feel like me I left something? Yeah, there's where they're doing the grave digging. Watch where you're walking, Mom. Yes. So Akim, why this?
It's an easier way to come down here.
No, Akim.
Wait there, are you still at the house?
Akim.
I wish I can.
Why did you walk
I
here?
got me, sir.
Something bring.
It make we run up the step then for carry back round.
Okay. Haja.
You don't know where am I going at this store? We need to fire this tour guide immediately. Immediately. We revoke his
But if you're going to some different country,
One.
look, just walk.
Si bagoy, away that thing that man. Step over this, a
Step
bagoy.
over this and walk by.
I don't know.
And walk.
All the way down there, so guys.
This I forget I really mean it when I say when I do the
Touch your man.
experience.
Country
Because-
experience.
Yeah. Cause look who's starting carry. Hello.
You really something that big, Like seriously.
You should have carried the portable to
Yeah,
the
I should have that's what I was thinking just
tour
now.
guide. Me too tired.
Anyway, thought I step me a step in. This tour guide needs a fire. What guiding?
Should have put on my long sleeve.
Said you come on. Not now bad.
The skin are itchy, you know.
Let's go.
Tour guide is behind us.
Obviously. I got this. I got this. Long trip. What's that? You heard that? Oh my god. See the donkey. See the donkey there?
Where?
See there?
No one called out the Kisha?
A donkey.
People, let
Uh-huh.
me zoom in.
Is that?
Ain't that a cow?
It's a. Oh
Come.
shit.
Let's go close and look. Maybe my eyes.
Oh, where him come through? Oh, there's a way. I run it.
Where's that place in?
No, I don't know. I don't right to stay no after.
Oh, it's a cow. See the shit there?
I told
It's
you.
a cow.
I don't need to go.
That means I'm can wipe my face tonight.
Yes, you can. Wait, let me do the honors.
It's a good massage therapy for you.
Yeah.
You know what I say? I show my watch and see man jumping out.
So, in a shit. Elephant shit.
Oh!
Oh shit. I want this. No. You know what I'm
You
thinking?
say you don't know what is?
Aloe vera? Aloe vera?
Excuse
I
me.
know aloe vera because I feel the leaf, them flat.
Actually, aloe vera cousin.
Yes.
Cinco Bible.
You know what? Taja, it's getting wet.
I don't know. So Orlando,
Oh,
you
wait,
sure
mother.
they were allowed to pull this gate, sir? Yeah. Who tell you that?
A tour guide, no, come on.
Look, you know, now you make a trespass.
Trespass what?
Oh, Alan. Right, that's where we are going. No, but wait. We don't wait right
Hmm?
In no way, my God, people.
We're giving you a movie. This is a movie vibe. You know, when them go in a jungle.
Right?
No, sir,
Look at
guys.
the two black girls
Mm-mm.
in the jungle.
Middle of nowhere. Sky
With
pretty
a tour
door.
guide that doesn't know where he's going.
And him gone left for Jesus, so him gone for.
He
We not trust him.
But this view,
Yo.
let me stop it.
Pretty.
because I just have to get it on camera. Wow. This is a screen saver right here.
Woo! Mosquito. Hey, listen to that shit. Jesus Christ.
Something crawled on me.
That just up there by your face.
What? Where are you taking
Where just though? Him so for come. So where just though? I'll pull something. What for come there, sir? So where just do run there, sir?
The tour guide. Listen to me.
Look what going you're supposed to know what going. Taja, I be a cow shit in the bush.
Don't know his way. Him abandon us to
One
find
time.
a new path, and then I will say we must come. No, sir, we need to hire.
A people and him a go pan, so him don't know. Him just you know, so him can.
Just like
Hmm?
tour guide is touring.
No, sir, I don't want that to.
First of all, he told us where he knew where he was going.
Guys, we paid a lot of money for this guy, you know.
I scamming, you know. Came to Jamaica.
Mind the
here.
dude that be a dude you sipping there, no?
Oh, me?
Yes, tour guy. Wait, what is the
We came here to Jamaica to see, right?
I came here to Jamaica.
Explore.
Jamaica.
And
Acha,
here we
him take up him stick.
Hey, all you need is the locks and him good to go.
Yeah, fake tour guy.
Rent a dread.
What you do with the guy?
Hear him.
No. And I know you talk. No, you have a tour guy.
A tour guide.
What you do with the guys? What is
Smell in
what?
the bushes.
What leaf is that?
What kind of bush is that, tour guide? Please teach us,
don't know,
educate us.
I don't know.
Ah, we there look for. Mm.
No.
So, When can we take our put on our bikinis and go in the water? We're going to the beach, guys. You're gonna take a swim with us.
So we've heard many stories about this pond, right, Lakeisha?
Yeah.
About the many mermaids. I wonder if the tour guide is aware of the story.
No, I'm not one. Nearly stepping out of the I thought this was the beach. Oh, we're going on the raft. Okay. I see you. Come on. So, how much to go on the raft? On the jet?
But the tour
What
guide
is?
not saying nothing.
What is
In
this?
just a walk. You sure it's not illegal?
Watch him, watch him.
Hello, we are touch.
This man, you're going to bring home something. Anyways,
Guys,
there's a cow.
there's the pond.
We can go to them?
No, I don't advise it.
Cow can run on people? Look at him, look. No, man, that cow, you look angry.
Lakeisha, make not ready now.
That guy is the pink.
So
But that one, they look angry. See, lady, I come up to where?
him now come up, I run him and run from.
You run from where?
Yeah.
So you feel.
I want them to choose out of the whole of them still.
I pitney that.
This man bring home.
I pitney. I pitney. Madam, father, I pitney. Alright, tour guy. So we can climb on the cow. Tour guy is brave. Brave bad. I mean, I see him nowhere. So let's go. I don't touch how we made a duppy take us to the place because I don't see the tour guy. He just disappear. Taja, come. You know what movie when people disappear and then the rest start disappear? Come on, yeah? Can't tell daddy we never see him.
News headline.
We never see him.
Good girl, after me. Lakeisha, where you go?
Come on, anywhere far from here, because I don't know where tour guy can. He just disappear. Man, I scare more, I scare us, you know.
Which direction?
Go on, continue. Taja. No, I'm see. I watch a lot of scary movie. I'm see you disappear. So I say, you know what? I'm getting out of here before I disappear. No, no.
That's why we have to ditch him. So
Yeah.
we're going back to
Guys,
civilization.
yeah, we know what I did. Because if him disappear, I don't know when disappear go. We just far reach back safely. He say, "Oh, the guy left me." I went there though.
Me no know. What's the best swim?
Crazy. Alright, so
Lakeisha, where we come through? Are you so?
yes, they're right there, so through that the hole there. See hole there?
Do you
Bombard. I feel like I'm stepping on one. Boys,
Alright guys, so that's the update.
Look at the
where
beautiful-
tour guide is. All the way down a warrior.
when they? Let me not see him on the camera.
So we're when the real
Wanna see
action
tour
starts,
guy?
like when they're
Do
cooking
you
and
see the
stuff
tour
and
guy?
stuff.
Click the screen to show the tour guy.
Where let's tour guide, look at him.
When they? You mean that? Oh. So, surrounded by many bushes.
Clay.
The way all them are scratching
From
them
the
have burned.
What?
pan. Clay.
Wow! Give me! Mama feeling.
If you want it, either
see? Let's stop it, doodoo.
What up, mama see?
Stuff in a dodo.
You want big thick something?
What is that?
Mama see that? Mama feeling.
No pass, no.
Come, we are your
Pass, See it here. No,
Feel-
me I
I'm
hold it.
feeling.
Don't touch it.
I'm
This
not
is
shit
clear.
you take off.
I'm
I'm
not
not
shit,
clear.
that's
The so it died. That's why it killed the arm. Where's that name?
Snail.
Yes.
Murderer.
You have to watch him, you know.
Why you have to watch me?
He's a killer.
Oh, me is a killer now.
And kill my cousin. And he nearly killed the cow them. Why? See me a slide. Gotcha.
That's for telling a lie.
He nearly killed the cow them. See cow them have to run from. But-
You met them
Okay, the cow is
You
here.
see how far me there, I know my mother boy?
The cow is here.
A mermaid actually.
The cow. She not hear me. The cow is
Her
here.
mouth is big.
The cow is here.
Continue, man.
That's
As
good.
you reach up, man, you're glad to me recording it.
Oh.
Come up, group people.
America too.
Yeah.
I was
So-
talking about your real mother, you know.
Again, we had to do
Not
tour
ma'am.
guide, so we're just going back to the civilization.
Yes, what we know about.
This a tour guide that look like him there
So-
fine on the bushes.
That's the end of the tour.
Yeah. So right now, the next few clips might just be like cooking and digging
Yeah.
and home. So catch you later. I'm going to charge up.
I think I'm done videoing for the day.
My storage
Can't
is
bother.
actually full.
I'm tired.
Yeah,
I'm a
I
storage
wanna
full.
Enjoy the day because you know
So-
it's a bittersweet day.
Yeah.
So we're just trying to keep positive minded, but it's very, you know, heart wrenching. So not sure if you're even gonna really come back. So if we do, we do, and if we don't, catch you in the next video. Like, comment,
Share.
subscribe.
Turn on post notification bell. Tell a friend.